All right, so the next step is to download this. So you're going to go to the arrow up here, click download, and it gives you a suggestion of a file type. So feel free to use that one. I wouldn't put it in a PDF. I think it's going to make it harder for you to actually use that photo. PNG is what they suggest. JPEG is also fine, but it's very small. I like the high quality ping. And then if you press download, you'll see that it's downloading it, and it will download right to the bottom of my screen here. So it's at the bottom here, and now my next step is I need to get it to the classroom slideshow where we created banners. So I already created one here. All I need you to do is create one. I kind of loved this look, but I don't feel like this goes as well with the theme of the word, right? Making things better even if they're not so great. So all you do is you take it from the bottom here and drop it onto your photo and you are finished. So this is what a Twitter handle, so it's a Twitter header. So it's what goes at the top of your Twitter account. If you do have a Twitter account, why not? Go ahead and use this for that. Otherwise, I'd like you to put it on your homepage of your digital portfolio.